In today's world, content is king. Everyone's making videos, reels, shorts, vlogs, you name it. But the biggest challenge? Editing. Most software is either too expensive or way too complicated to use. But not anymore. Because today, I've brought you a powerful tool that can turn your content into a professional creation quickly, easily, and for free. This tool is called Microsoft CLIPCHAMP, an official video editor by Microsoft. It's completely free to use. You can use it right in your browser, or download it as an app from the Microsoft Store. To download it, open MS Store and type CLIPCHAMP. This app will appear here. You can install to your system. CLIPCHAMP is specially designed for creators who want to make stunning videos without any technical complexity, whether you're a YouTuber, teacher, student, or a business presenter. So let's start this video. As soon as you log in with your Microsoft account, you'll be welcomed with a clean, modern, and user-friendly interface. You'll first see a button that says, Create a new video. Click it, and your editing workspace will open. On the left side, you'll see several tools listed. Let's walk through them one by one. Your media. This is where you upload your own files, videos. You can also import files from your computer, OneDrive, or Google Drive. It's your personal media hub. Record and create. A very useful feature that lets you record your own content directly. Here you'll find camera recording, record using just your webcam. Screen recording, capture only your screen. Camera plus screen, record both screen and camera together. Audio recording, record your voice, perfect for voiceovers. Text-to-speech, type any text and convert it into natural-sounding speech in various languages and voices. Content library. CLIPCHAMP provides access to thousands of royalty-free stock videos, music tracks, sound effects, and graphics. You can use them freely in your projects, perfect for both beginners and advanced creators. Text. Add titles, subtitles, or animated text to your videos. You can customize fonts, colors, sizes, and animations easily. It makes your content more engaging and professional. Templates. Whether it's for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or promos, there are pre-made templates ready to speed up your workflow. Transitions. This feature allows smooth and stylish changes between clips. Options like cross-blur, burn, fade, slide, wipe, zoom, and cross-fade give your video a cinematic touch. Brand kit. This is where you can set your logo, brand colors, and fonts so your branding remains consistent in every video. But note, this is a premium feature. If you're a beginner, you don't need it for now. You can still do everything using the free version. When your video is ready, you can export it in different quality levels. Auto 480p, 720p, or 1080p. After exporting, you can save your video to your PC, Google Drive, or upload it directly to YouTube. It's a complete tool for both new and experienced creators. Not just easy, but fast, clean, and professional all in one place, browser or app, and completely free. In this video, we explored an overview of CLIPCHAMP, its main features, and how to use them. In the next video, I'll show you how to use these tools practically while editing real content, step by step. So friends, this video was just a general overview of CLIPCHAMP. If you want to bring life to your YouTube videos, lectures, or promos, give CLIPCHAMP a try today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below on which video editor you'd like me to cover next. See you soon in another amazing video. Until then, take care and goodbye.